Introducing the Rollscrest Motorhome, a masterpiece of design and elegance. Its pristine white exterior immediately captures attention, reflecting light in a way that enhances its sleek and sophisticated lines. Every curve and contour has been meticulously crafted to balance aerodynamic efficiency with aesthetic beauty, ensuring a smooth ride on highways, scenic roads, and open landscapes alike. The body is built with strength and durability in mind, promising reliability for long journeys while maintaining a luxurious and modern appearance. From the finely sculpted edges to the flawless finish, Rollscrest does more than travel. It makes a statement of class and refinement wherever it goes. Subtle golden highlights and stylish accents complement the white exterior, adding a touch of warmth and elegance. Panoramic windows offer breathtaking views while allowing natural light to flood the interior, creating a welcoming and bright environment. Functional features such as side mirrors, external storage compartments, and sturdy entrance steps are seamlessly integrated into the design, combining practicality with sophistication. Whether cruising through city streets or parked at a serene lakeside, the Rollscrest Motorhome radiates luxury, confidence, and adventure, making every journey as impressive as the destination itself. Step inside the Rollscrest, and you are immediately embraced by a world of refined luxury. The interior is predominantly sleek black, accented with shimmering gold lights that create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Every detail, from cabinetry to ceiling design, has been thoughtfully curated to balance elegance with functionality. The spacious layout allows for smooth movement, ensuring comfort for every passenger, while premium finishes reflect modern sophistication. The interior isn't just about beauty, it's about intelligent design. Ample storage solutions, comfortable seating, and ambient lighting ensure that every journey is both convenient and luxurious. The golden lights illuminate the space subtly, giving it a cozy yet stylish feel. Whether relaxing after a long drive or preparing for an adventure, the Rollscrest interior provides an environment that feels both elegant and effortlessly functional. The living area of the Rollscrest is designed to combine comfort and elegance seamlessly. Plush seating, soft cushions, and stylish finishes make it the perfect spot to relax, read, or enjoy a conversation. Large windows allow natural light to fill the space, enhancing the sense of openness and warmth. Adjacent to the living area is a sophisticated dining space, complete with a sleek table and comfortable seating. Ideal for meals, board games, or even working remotely, this space adapts to your needs while maintaining a luxurious atmosphere. Every detail, from the seating arrangement to the subtle golden accents, has been carefully designed to enhance comfort and style. The kitchen in Rollscrest is compact, fully equipped, and designed for efficiency without sacrificing elegance. Sleek countertops, modern cabinetry, and state-of-the-art appliances allow for effortless cooking and meal preparation on the road. Every appliance is strategically placed for convenience, from the refrigerator to the stovetop and microwave. Thoughtful storage ensures everything has its place, while golden accents and polished finishes give the space a sophisticated flair. Cooking in the Rollscrest isn't just practical, it's a delightful experience that combines style and functionality. The bedroom of the Rollscrest Motorhome is a haven of comfort and tranquility. A plush bed, premium linens, and soft golden lighting create an inviting retreat after a long day of travel. The design merges elegance with practicality, offering a restful environment that feels truly luxurious. Ample storage keeps personal belongings organized and the space clutter-free, while the ambient golden lights enhance a cozy and intimate atmosphere. Every night in this bedroom feels like a stay in a 5-star suite, ensuring you wake refreshed and ready for your next adventure. The bathroom combines modern design with ultimate convenience. Clean lines, high-quality fixtures, and thoughtful layouts make every visit both comfortable and stylish. Though compact, the washroom feels spacious thanks to smart design and lighting. From the sink to the shower, every feature has been chosen for ease of use, elegance, and comfort. It's a space that proves even functional areas can be luxurious. Rollscrest is more than a motorhome, it's a mobile sanctuary of luxury and sophistication. From the gleaming white exterior with subtle golden highlights to the sleek black and gold interior, every detail has been crafted to provide comfort, style, and freedom. Whether enjoying the living area, cooking in the kitchen, resting in the bedroom, or refreshing in the bathroom, every corner of the Rollscrest offers a perfect blend of functionality and elegance. This motorhome invites travelers to embrace the open road while enjoying the comforts of a premium home on wheels. With Rollscrest, your journey becomes a seamless experience of adventure, luxury, and style.